Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for creative content and digital tips. Alright, now that I am caffeinated, let us dive in.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lenny. If you want to start a Faceless YouTube channel without ever having to show your face, then in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own AI avatar that can speak, express emotions, and represent you on your Faceless YouTube channel. So whether you are camera shy, or you value your privacy, or you just want to build a unique digital identity, this tutorial is for you. I'm going to guide you through everything from choosing the right tools to customizing your avatar's look and voice. Just bring your Faceless YouTube channel to life without ever having to step in front of a camera. Let's get started. So in terms of the tools we'll be using for this tutorial, we'll be using Google AI Studio. So I'm going to go into Google AI Studio and I'm going to click on Generate Media. And then I'm going to select some of these image generation models. So there are two here. So they have the Gemini image generation model and they have the image gen. So where image gen, you're able to generate high quality images across multiple aspect ratios. So that's what I'm going to go with because I have the flexibility to decide if I want to post this avatar on Instagram or do a YouTube short or even do a YouTube long video. And then you can also select the number of results you want. So I'm just going to go with 16:9 as I intend to post this on YouTube. And then I'm going to be using this exact prompt. Then I'm gonna click on learn. Okay, so as you can see, our image has been generated for us. If I wanted to do 2 results, then all I have to do is to do 2 results, and then I'll click on learn and let's see what we get. Okay, so this is really cool. So I'm gonna go with, let's save this one. So I'm gonna save both of these into Google Drive, but I am gonna be using this one because this flies for me. It may actually like showing everything I need to know. All right, so the next step is once we have our image generated, the next step is to generate our video. So for that, I'm gonna click on Generate Media and I'm gonna go with View. I believe that's View 3 now, but I don't have access to that yet. So I'm just gonna make do with View 2. And in this exact prompt, all I'm trying to say, she has a high band ponytail and she's actively creating content in an high-end modern digital creator studio. She's looking directly at her camera and she's speaking and smiling. So this is the exact prompt I'm using. I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna select the image we just generated and then I'm gonna click on run. Okay, so this has been generated for us. I'm gonna play the output for us. Okay. So I like the output. So all I'm going to do right now is download this onto my computer. And I'm also going to save this as well into Google Drive. All right, so this is done. The next step for us is to generate the audio. So in order to generate the audio, I'm going to be using TopView AI to generate the audio. So I'm going to come into TopView AI and I'm going to click on Video Avatar. And maybe I'm going to select Create Your Avatar and I'm going to click on Create from Video. And I'm just going to give it a name. Okay, I'm going to say, let's say Addison. And then I'm going to select the video I just created. So I'm gonna come in here and I'm just gonna select the video that was just generated a moment ago. I'm just gonna select it and then I'm just gonna click on I hereby confirm, accept the terms and conditions. And once this is uploaded fully, I'm just gonna click on create. Okay, so our avatar has been created for us. The next step for us is to include some text. So you can just go into ChatGPT and ask it to create like a script, or you could create your own script, or you could even use your own voice. Okay, so you could do multiple things. So you could either use your own voice. If you want to use your own voice, you can just import audio. But if you don't want to use your own voice and you just want to use any of the predefined voices, then you could also do so. And then you just putting your prompt in here or you putting your script in here. And then you could either switch the voice or you can keep it. So there's a plethora of voices that you can use in here. I'm just going to keep it to what we have. And then, yeah, so we have our voice and everything ready. So what we just have to do is select the avatar and then we just click on generate. Okay, so this has been generated for us. I'm just gonna click on watch.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for creative content and digital tips. Alright, now that I am caffeinated, let us dive in.
Okay, so that is it. At this point, you can just download it and use it for your own creative project. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then you're going to enjoy my other AI avatar creation videos. I'm going to leave them on the screen so that you can check them out. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, all the good stuff. But that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.